Thanks for joining me today on your health journey. My videos here are always to help encourage your faith, your health, and your finances. Today's video is going to focus on our health, and we can add in that faith piece also as we praise the Lord and we are thankful for all that He does for us. As a educator for over 20 years and teaching Holy Yoga for the last several years, I am so glad that you're joining me, Meleny Ortega, today. I want to share with you my favorite pose. I've had several back injuries, and I thank the Lord for all the recovery and the people that He has put in my life to heal me. And I want to show you this one pose. It's a reclining spinal twist that really has made a huge difference in my life. I have found that this pose is something that not only relieves lower back pain, but it strengthens our back. And so it's a great pose, and I hope that you will join me with this pose today. For this pose, you definitely want to avoid this for some kind of interesting ones. If you have a headache, if you currently have any diarrhea, if you have high or low blood pressure, and if you are a woman and you are menstruating. So do not do this during those times. Any other time though, this is a wonderful pose. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn and come onto our back. We're going to go ahead and bring our knees to chest. We're going to extend our arms to the side. We're going to allow our knees to fall to the right. Slowly, we're going to breathe through this pose. The goal here, depending on where your stretchability is and flexibility, eventually we would like to get our knees to go all the way down, touching the ground. To extend the pose, you can take your gaze to the left or the opposite direction of your knees. You want to make sure that the opposite shoulder, so in this case, my left shoulder, is touching the floor. If it is not, you need to bring your knees back up to where it is. Over time, you will become more flexible and should be able to go all the way. Now, of course, all of our bodies are different, and sometimes you may not be able to do so. This pose is great for relieving mild depression, stress, and anxiety. You can hold this pose longer. It's a great way to just relax and unwind. On your exhale, you can go ahead and bring your knees up to center. We'll do it on the other side, allowing our body to just relax, letting our knees slowly drop to the left. You want to extend that pose, taking your gaze to the right or the opposite direction. Breathing here and relaxing. Next exhalation, go ahead and bringing your knees up. The counter pose is just knees to chest. It's great just to roll on up. This pose is great to relieve sciatica, lower back pain, and neck pain. It's also a great hip opener and chest opener. So that is my favorite pose. It's been with me for probably over 15 years and has really helped me through multiple back injuries. And I hope that you will add this to your practice. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.